Benefits of Gond Katira Tragacanth Gum. If you want to lose weight, use pink-colored Gond. If you want to use it for cooling, eat the white-colored Gond Katira in jelly form in summer. Eat it only after soaking it for 12 hours, or soak it overnight. Don't eat it without soaking it, it's bad for your health. Gond Katira Tragacanth Gum is a natural gum obtained from the sap of various species of Middle Eastern legumes. It is widely used in traditional medicine, especially in South Asia, and is known for its cooling and health-boosting properties. 1 cooling agent. Acts as a natural coolant for the body, especially beneficial during hot weather. Often used in drinks and desserts like Gond Katira sherbet to reduce body heat. 2 digestive health. Soothes digestive issues and relieves constipation by acting as a natural laxative. Helps in improving gut health when consumed in moderation. 3 weight management. Provides a feeling of fullness, which can help in controlling appetite and promoting weight loss. 4 bone and joint health. Strengthens bones and relieves joint pain, traditionally used for postpartum recovery and improving bone health. 5 skin health. Used in face masks and beauty treatments to hydrate and improve skin texture. May help in treating acne and skin irritation. 6 boosts immunity. Contains antioxidants and other nutrients that can help strengthen the immune system. 7 enhances male health. Traditionally believed to enhance male stamina and reproductive health. 8 anti-inflammatory properties. Helps in reducing inflammation and soothing irritated tissues. Apply vanilla essence. Add vanilla-flavored custard powder. 9 improves respiratory health. Can help relieve symptoms of cough and sore throat when consumed in specific preparations. Soak Gond Katira in water overnight until it becomes jelly-like. 10 hydration. Helps in maintaining body hydration due to its high water-absorbing ability. Add 2 spoons of ghee. Mix it with milk, lemon water, or traditional drinks to enhance its cooling effects. Add it to desserts or drinks for added texture and health benefits. Would you like me to show you some delicious Gond Katira recipes to try out? How to consume Gond Katira. Cut the bread into 4 pieces. Apply dry fruit paste on bread. Gond Katira Tragacanth Gum is a natural resin obtained from the sap of certain plants, commonly Astragalus species. It is popular for its cooling properties and is often used in sweets and drinks, especially in hot climates. Here are some benefits of Gond Katira Sweets. Health benefits. 1 cooling effect. Gond Katira has natural cooling properties, making it effective for reducing body heat and treating heat strokes. 2 digestive health. It acts as a natural laxative and helps in relieving constipation and promoting healthy digestion. 3 bone strengthening. It supports joint and bone health, providing relief from joint pain and strengthening bones. 4 weight management. Its high fiber content provides a feeling of fullness, aiding in weight management. 5 skin health. Known for its hydrating properties, it helps in maintaining skin moisture and improving skin texture. 6 boosts immunity. Contains antioxidants that help improve immunity and protect the body from infections. 7 reproductive health. In traditional medicine, it's believed to enhance reproductive health and boost energy. Culinary uses in sweets. Make a paste of all the dry fruits. Gond Katira is often added to sweets like Gond Laddu halwa and various milk-based desserts. When mixed with ingredients like milk, nuts, and ghee, it provides energy and nourishment, especially in winter or postpartum recovery. Would you like me to share some delicious Gond Katira Sweet recipes? Add soaked Gond Katira. Add arrow roar powder. Boil a liter of milk until it reduces to half. Add peeled pomegranate seeds. Pour a liter of milk. I am adding a cup of sugar. Add as much as you like. If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell icon, and leave a comment. Thank you for watching the video.